Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the tenor part for the piece Jerusalema. The part is played using octaves. You're going to start from C and C 8 times, and then you go to A and A, also 8 times, F and A 8 times, and then last G and G 8 times. All right, so it's quite straightforward. C and C 8 times using the alternating technique. Starting with your left hand, you're going 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. All right. Right, so it's quite straightforward. Now let's move on to the second part. Now the second part, you're no longer using the alternating technique. You're going to be playing 2 notes at the same time. Same notes though, from C and C, you're going to go 2, 3, 4, and A and A, 3, 4, and F and A, 4, and then G and G. 4, 5, 6, 7, back, C, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, F and A, 2, 3, and you end with G and G. 4, 5, 6, 7, one more time. From the beginning, from the first part, and then back to the beginning. All right, so basically those are the 2 parts for the piece Jerusalema. I hope you enjoy learning those parts. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.